Namaste students. In today's session, we're gonna learn computational thinking, grade 4, chapter 2, hide and seek, part 2. And the first question is, which of the following options is the top view of the image? So from the top, if I see from the top, obviously this square will be visible and this square will be visible. So this square will be visible and this square will be visible. Three squares in the straight line and one square in the front portion. So I go with option C, three portions and one portion in the front. As you see here, it's like one, two, three portions. Actually, three boxes are here. It's not B. The same way, it's not D and not A. As you see, one on the left, one on the right, and one in the front. So there are two in the front, so it's not A. The final answer is C. Great. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the views given in the option shows the highest number of different colors? Okay, so from front view, I see green, yellow, red. So three colors are there from the front view. If I see from the right, it's only two colors, red and blue. And here I can see green, red, blue, red. So it's again three colors, green, red, blue from the front view. From the right view, let's check how many colors, blue, green, yellow. Yeah, I see only three, blue, green, yellow. Oh, I missed this red. So it is totally four colors. So right view of second arrangement is the right answer. Right view arrangement 2 is the right answer. So I go with option D. Very good. So the next question, which of the following options will look like figure X? Okay, when viewed along the direction of the arrow. Okay, it's all from right side. So here I get one yellow and two blue if I'm not wrong. And here I get all three blues if I look from right side. And here all are yellow. And here I have yellow, yellow, and one blue. So I go with option C. Option C is the right answer. This X, I mean the image given, is the right side view of option C. Great. Moving on to the next question. If a person is standing on block number 3, okay, a person is here, facing the animals, that will be the position of the cat with respect to the fox from this point of view. Okay, facing the animals, what will be the position of the cat? What will be the position of cat with respect to the fox? Where is fox? Fox is here. The position of cat is just behind it. I go with option B. Great. And the next question. I love these block questions. Just you need to concentrate and check out the pattern. Okay, which of the following figures is the top view of the solid? Top view, obviously this will be seen, this will be seen, this will be seen, this will be seen, isn't it? So yours and yes, 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 it is option A. Great. Moving on to the next question. 10 coins are distributed among 4 people, P, Q, R, S, such that one of them gets 1 coin, another gets 2 coins, the third gets 3 coins, fourth gets 4 coins. It is known that Q gets more coins than P. Okay, Q gets more coins than P. So this is a symbol for greater. Q is more than P. S gets fewer than R. S gets fewer than R. If R gets at least two more coins than S, then which one of the following is necessarily true? Okay, so R gets at least two more coins. S gets fewer coins than R. Okay, so if this is 1 rupee and this may be 3 rupees, okay. Q gets at least two more coins than S. Maybe Q can be two. No, two more coins. Yeah, maybe because Q is greater than P, so this is greater than all others. Maybe at least two more coins than S. Q and R together get 7 coins every time. Okay, maybe if this is like 3 and this is 4, obviously, okay, the other two numbers left is 2 and 4. Obviously, Q will be 4, P will be 2. So, yes, P gets more coins than S. P gets more coins than S. Yeah, obviously, P is more than S. And P and Q together get at least 5 coins. Okay, that is also true, but I guess Q and R together get 7 coins every time. I go with option B. Why? Because here there is possibility of when you take P, Q, R, S, I gave this one and this as 3. Instead of that, we can also give S as 2. The other possibility is S can be 2, so R can be 4. In that case, Q will be 3 and P will be 2 because Q is greater than P. R is at least 2 more than S. So there are two options. It can get 3, then this get 1. Or this S gets 2, R gets 4. But anyway, Q will be 4 and P will be 2. So always the Q plus R is 7. And P gets more coins than S. Yeah, sometimes true, but there is a possibility like both get equal. Not always true. Gets more than S, isn't it? Great. Let's meet in the next session with some more questions. Thank you.